In this video, we are going to discuss priority encoder. In our previous video, we have already discussed about octal to binary encoder. Now, let us see what is priority encoder. So, what is encoder? In encoder, we know that if there are 4 input lines, suppose I0, I1, I2, I3, then only one input signal can be activated through the two output lines S0 and S1. Okay, that means if I0 is 0, 0 value, that means if it is 0, 0, I0 is selected. If it is 0, 1, that means S1, S0. It is 0, 1 is there, 0 is there. Okay, if it is 0, 1, then I1 is selected. If it is 1, 0, then I2 is selected. If it is 1, 1, then I3 is selected. We know that only one input value gets selected at a time through the output sides. Okay, so this is our 4 into 2 encoder. But what about one input signal? Means only one input value is high at a time. That's value we get in the output side. But what about if two inputs values are high at a time? Then what output we get in our output sides, in our output signal? If there are two inputs is high, then which inputs gets its priority to show the value in its output signal? Then comes the concept of priority encoder. In priority encoder, every input signal should be marked a priority value from either from top to bottom or from bottom to top. That means I0, that highest priority, like this way, from top to bottom. That means I0 is, I3 is the highest priority, I2 is the next highest priority, I1 is the next highest priority, then I0 is the lowest priority. This is our priority sequence. That means I0 less than I1. Any type of priority can be assigned. Okay, I am just giving you example that in our this type of encoder, suppose our priority is assigned like this way from top to bottom. So this is our priority. So what does it priority means? It priority means that if the value of I2 is high, okay, so I2 has the highest priority than I1 and I0. Then if I2 is high and I3 is 0, I3 is the highest priority than I2 and its value is 0, and I2 is high, then it will not check the value of I0 and I1. The output value must be I2. Okay, because I0 and I2 as the lowest priority than I2, then if I2 is high, then it will not check the value of I0 and I1. If I0 is 0, then we get the value of I2 in our output lines. If I3 is high, then it will not check any other value of its lowest priority input signal. It's the highest priority value it will get in our output line. This is our priority encoder. In priority encoder, every input signal must assign some priority value, and the highest priority value must be its priority to display its value in its output signal. So whatever is the truth table of this priority encoder, let us see. Suppose our input values are I0, I1, I2, I3. Okay, these are input value, and our I3, I2, I1, I0. Our output line is S1, S0. Okay, so if I0 is 1, just follow me. If I0 is 1 and all others values are 0, clear? Then we get I1 in the output line, that is 0, 0. Obviously I0 will get output line. If I1 is 1, that means I1 value is 1. Then we don't need to check the value of I0 because I0 is lowest priority. Then we should write I0 is there. If I0 is 1, nothing can be changed. If I0 is 0, nothing will be changed. So that's why I1 is not make a considerable value if I1 is 0, and others must be 0. Obviously highest priority must be 0. I0 is 1 and the lowest priority, then lowest priority will not check. Then we get the value of I1 in our output line. Because if selection line is 0, 1, then I1 is selected. If I2 is 1 and I0 is 3, highest priority value must be 0. And then all its lowest priority value will not change. Whatever be the value, its output will not change. Then we get the output value of I0 in our output line. If I3 is 1, then all whatever be the value of its lowest priority input signal, we get the value of I3 in our input line. Okay, obviously this is our input line now. So this is the truth table of our priority encoder. So in priority encoder, every input signal must have some priority value, assign some priority value. Okay, so priority encoder means priority encoder is such that if two or more inputs are active at the same time, the input having the highest priority will take place in output signal. This is our priority